This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's glove box. Press the tops of the support stays forwards and downwards. Lower the glove box. Release the clip at the end and remove the pollen filter cover. Slide the old filter element from the housing. The arrows on the edge of the filter element indicate airflow and must point downwards. Slide the new filter element into the housing, then refit the cover. Fold up and close the glove box.